Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer about the complex numbers in here. This is on final exam, so I will show you how to answer. So this one I will put in the left and that I will put on the right. Next, we need to multiply by 3i plus number 2 on numerator and denominator. So this one we have the formula in here. So in this one we simplify. We know that I equals to the square root of negative number 1. If we put the power number 2 for the both sides, we cancel the square root and we have negative number 1. So this one we have negative number 9. So negative number 9 with negative number 4, we have negative number 13. So if we look on the answer, they yield about e. That means we have e to the power of theta I equals to cosine theta plus I sine theta. So to do about this one, we need to find the square root of a square plus b square. 8, that is about this one. B, that is about this one. So we put this number cone here. So in this one we have the square root of number 13 divided by number 13. So in this one we can do about the factorization by this one. So that should be like this. So we calculate this one. We have like this. And this one. So we have cosine theta equals to this one. And sine theta equals to this one. And now we need to find theta, that is about a cosine of negative number 2 with the square root of number 13 over 13. or maybe equal to a sine of negative number 3 with the square root of number 13 over 13. So we calculate this one in radian, and that is 4.14 or 4.1244. So this is about radian, and we know that this one we can find approximate that is about 0.2774. So in this one we need to select about D. This is the end. Thank you for watching.